Hi, I'm Shubham and I'm going to talk about what I regard as the next big thing in the world, which is gene therapy. Today, the world is suffering from a global pandemic due to the COVID 19 virus, and despite the governments of different countries, doctors, scientists trying so hard to come up with a cure for the virus, they are unable to eradicate it. This is because COVID 19 is a virus and it uses the host's genes to form its own DNA components and multiply and mutate at a rapid pace. Similarly, there are many other diseases such as cancer, AIDS, pulmonary diseases, diabetes, etc., that are proving to be fatal for the human existence. These diseases are affecting the average life expectancy of humans, and scientists are desperate to find a solution to it. In the coming years, gene therapy can become a breakthrough technology to increase human life expectancy. Gene therapy is a technique that uses genes to treat or prevent diseases. This means that the mutated or disease causing gene is replaced by a healthy copy of the gene. This new set of genes will order the cell to either inactivate or eradicate the mutated gene. It can also be used to improve immunity of the human body by switching the existing weak gene with a stronger set of genes. This technique might also be useful to cure the viral diseases. Viruses mutate very fast after entering the host cell, and thus we can't kill it through existing medicine as they use the host's DNA to multiply. But through gene therapy, we can re-engineer the patient's gene by transporting a vector. A vector basically is a transporter of the genes to a cell in the cell and stop viruses from multiplying. Although this technology has been there since 1980s, but it was not viable till now at the mass level due to various health risks and lack of technological advancements. Many biotechnology companies are already using this technology, and one such company which I'm going to talk about today is Spark Therapeutics, which was founded in 2013. Ever since the company was founded, they have worked on curing various diseases such as hemophilia, genetic blindness, etc. Their first breakthrough was when US Food and Drug Administration approved Luxturna for the treatment of retinal dystrophy, which is a genetic blinding condition caused by genetic mutation. Spark Therapeutics was acquired in 2019 by a Swiss giant pharmaceutical company called Hoffmann La Roche for $4.3 billion. After getting acquired by the Swiss pharmaceutical giant, Spark Therapeutics now has more funding for research and development in the field of gene therapy. Seeing the current situation of the world and the mega trend towards increasing the human life expectancy, Spark Therapeutics can focus on finding a cure for viral diseases through gene therapy. Finding a cure for the viral diseases will help Spark to get a first mover advantage in the market, and as we all know, getting a first mover advantage is always a boon for any business. They can patent their technology, they can license it, outsource it to other pharmaceutical and biotechnology companies, and they can use this technique to monetize their business and gain profit. Lastly, I would say Spark Therapeutics has a wide range of opportunities in this field, but they need to be cautious of the technology and be sure that there are no loose ends in the technology, because after all they're dealing with a human life, and if the technology go wrong, it's a human life that's gonna suffer. So in order to make this the next big thing for them, they need to focus and minimize risk in order to make it a perfect